Goggles are all fogged, ready to go. Oh my God, snow? Where am I? Robert, where am I?
Where are you?
Where?
You are in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Salt Lake City, Utah? What am I doing here, Robert?
You are destination Park City.
Park City. We are here at our condo for the week. It's pretty cool. Let me give you a little tour. So we walk in, we have this like living area with a fireplace, TV, couch, and then the kitchen. Cool. Fridge. Awesome. Master bedroom is over in there. And then this is my bathroom. Hey. And then my bedroom with a closet. Yeah. Haha. They even give you slippers in the laundry basket. Getting fitted. Up the slopes. Doing sloping things. Ooh, we got some groceries. Yeah. I really wish these floors were heated. Making some hot choco. Got my Swiss. Got my Swiss marshmallow. It be sizzling. Oh man, downtown Park City. Main Street. So fun, so cute. Look guys, look at this. Salad. Are you kidding me? Look at this rose quartz. This is insane. Wow. An intellectual standing by the fire so that I can be warm.
Foot massage. You don't think he overreacted? Yeah, so I'm probably explaining myself.
This bed is huge. Look at me. I have a bed. King of the castle. Set ready. Let's go. We're going. Oh baby, it is go time. And we're on the lift. Love it. Oh man, we've done like 8 or 9 runs so far. My helmet is pissing me off so bad. It's so tight on my ear. Goggles are all fogged, ready to go. Lunch of champions. Oh, we're done for the day. 5 hours later. That was a lot. Our last run literally took us like, I mean, was that it? That might have been it right there. It was just up straight down. What the heck? What the heckums? This isn't Texas or Arizona. Where am I? Can I make a phone stand out of a tree? Don't fall now. Don't do it. Hi guys. There's a lot of snow. I'm making a snowman. Are you kidding? I'm so making a snowman. How do you make a snow? snow doesn't really... This video is sponsored by the tree that is holding my phone up right now. Thank you. Night 2's dinner fit. Just figured out that they dim. The big brain. Hanukkah in Park City. Oh man. Oh man. Oishi sushi.
Do you eat cucumber?
No, I do not like cucumber. Okay, here's my fit for the second day. This one has hand things, which is great because my hands were really cold yesterday. It's giving ski girl. Good morning. Oh, it's cold. Day 2. Probably a little more busy today. It's Friday morning. Yeah, let's get out there. It is a beautiful day here in Park City. Oh man. All right, so we're pretty high up. Almost at summit. Gonna some of these blues, maybe a bowl or two.
Got 40.
40? Wow. All right, top speed, 40 miles an hour. Pretty sick. Let's keep going. Headed to the canyon side of the mountain in the gondola. I recorded something with my phone in my pocket going down a run, and I wasn't recording. Lunch stop. Mac and Yee's. Hello, sorry I haven't filmed like anything post skiing. Literally so tired afterward. I just had a snack and then was just like watching YouTube in my bed. So now I'm braiding my hair. Yeah. Dinner time. This place has steak. I'm so tired. I got dinner, and then there's mine. Kidding. They gave me so much potatoes. Espresso. Morning, everybody. Day 3, and it is 4 degrees. Yes, I'm wearing my warmest shirt, warmest turtleneck, and my warmest socks. Hey. How you doing? Okay. It's a lot more crowded today. Oh my gosh. First part of our ski, getting the boots on. Oh man. Let's go. This is my weapon of choice this week. Oh yeah. Let's see. Double cart 150s. Oh yeah. Alright, it's our last day, so we're taking it kind of easy. Doing blues. We're pretty tired. We did like 30 miles yesterday, so you know. And actually we filmed this around last time, but I wasn't recording. Yay. Mid-course snack. I'm shaking. Okay, we're done. Look how loose that is. Larry, come here. Let me fix you. Better?
Sydney will now attempt a daredevil slide down one of the most treacherous runs in Park City. She's ready. She's going. And she made it. Oh.
Last night here. I just posted on Instagram, so go check that out. Let's go. I smell Brussels sprouts, and they smell fantastic. Huh. And now I'm starving, so woohoo! It's our dinner time. I got fish and chips and Brussels sprouts. I told you I was gonna get Brussels sprouts. Me run Brussels sprouts, replacing my 3,000 calories I burned today. You. No. Warming up. It's cold. Okay, I know this is crazy, but does anybody else heat up? Oh, no. Does anybody else heat up their clothes by the fireplace before wearing them? It's time for some hot chocolate. We are leaving. yeah, good trip overall. Thank you all so much for watching to this point in the video. If you have, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, subscribe. It's free. What are you doing? Click it. Come on, let's go. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.